Imagine a world where a small youth football club in rural Brazil has access to the same advanced performance analysis tools used by Manchester United. Picture a local manufacturing workshop in Vietnam, instantly detecting quality issues that would normally require expensive consultants to identify. Envision healthcare providers in remote communities having AI-powered assistants to monitor patient safety with the same precision as major urban hospitals. This isn't science fiction. This is Score's vision becoming reality. Today, we're exploring not just what Score's computer vision Subnet 44 does, but the world it's creating and the lives it's transforming. Every great technological revolution begins with a simple observation. Something that should be easy, isn't. For Score's founders, that observation was seeing how computer vision, a technology with incredible potential to improve lives, and businesses remained locked away behind walls of complexity, cost, and technical expertise. The football pitch became their laboratory, not because they were limited in vision, but because football represents something universal. Every culture has sports. Every community has teams, and every coach dreams of giving their players the best possible guidance. If they could democratize access to advanced video analysis for football, they could do it for anything. The journey from concept to processing footage from 280 football leagues globally tells a story of persistence, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to making powerful technology accessible to everyone. Let me paint you a picture of what Score's impact looks like in the real world. It's Saturday morning in Lagos, Nigeria. Coach Emmanuel prepares his under-16 team for their biggest match of the season. Just 2 years ago, his preparation would have involved basic video review on an old laptop, hoping to spot patterns that might give his team an edge. Today, he opens Score's platform and immediately sees detailed analysis of his players' movement patterns, optimal formations based on their strengths, and tactical recommendations based on thousands of similar match situations. Meanwhile, in São Paulo, Brazil, Maria runs a small textile factory. Her biggest challenge has always been maintaining consistent quality while competing with larger manufacturers. Score's computer vision technology, originally developed for football, now monitors her production line continuously, instantly identifying defects that human inspectors might miss, and suggesting process improvements that save materials and time. Across the ocean in Manchester, England, Dr. Sarah reviews patient monitoring data at a busy hospital. The same pattern recognition technology that analyzes football tactics now helps her identify early warning signs in patient behavior that could prevent medical emergencies. These aren't isolated examples. They represent millions of people whose work, passion, and lives are being enhanced by technology that was previously accessible only to the world's largest organizations. Score's 4-step process, Annotate, Pre-train, Merge, Build, represents more than technical stages. They represent stages of empowerment. The annotation stage is about teaching machines to see what humans care about. But this isn't just object recognition. It's about understanding intent, strategy, and meaning. When Score's system watches a football match, it doesn't just see players running. It understands tactical movements, recognizes emerging opportunities, and identifies patterns that even experienced coaches might miss. This depth of understanding translates powerfully across industries. In manufacturing, annotation means understanding not just what's happening, but what it means for quality, efficiency, and safety. In healthcare, it means recognizing not just what patients are doing, but how those actions relate to their well-being and treatment progress. The pre-training phase embodies a powerful democratic principle. Learning should be shared. Instead of every organization starting from scratch, Score's pre-trained models carry the accumulated wisdom of thousands of hours of analysis across hundreds of different situations. This shared learning means a small clinic in rural Kenya can benefit from insights generated by analyzing medical situations worldwide. A startup manufacturer can access production optimization knowledge that would normally take years to develop independently. The merge phase represents something profound about human progress. We're always stronger together. By combining multiple analytical approaches and cross-validating insights, Score creates intelligence that's greater than the sum of its parts. This collective intelligence approach mirrors how human communities solve problems. Just as villages traditionally relied on the combined wisdom of elders with different expertise, Score's merge phase combines different types of analytical expertise to provide more reliable and comprehensive insights. The build phase is where dreams become reality. This is where abstract analytical capabilities transform into tools that coaches can use to develop young players, manufacturers can use to improve their products, and healthcare providers can use to save lives. The build phase is deeply personal. It adapts to how each user works, what they care about, and what success means in their specific context. A football coach in Argentina and a factory manager in Thailand use the same underlying technology, but it manifests in completely different ways that serve their unique needs. Processing footage from 280 football leagues might sound like a technical achievement, but it represents something much more meaningful. It represents 280 communities where coaches, players, and fans now have access to insights that can improve performance, prevent injuries, and enhance the beautiful game. Each of these 280 leagues represents thousands of players whose development can be enhanced, coaches whose effectiveness can be amplified, and communities whose sporting culture can be enriched. The cumulative impact touches millions of lives across every continent. This global scale also creates a powerful feedback loop. Insights generated from analyzing matches in Argentina inform better analysis capabilities for teams in Japan. Tactical innovations observed in Brazilian football enhance understanding of similar patterns in German leagues. The entire global football community benefits from collective learning. While football provides Score's foundation, the vision extends far beyond any single industry. The same technology that helps identify tactical patterns in football can detect efficiency opportunities in manufacturing, safety issues in construction, or behavioral changes in healthcare. Consider the environmental applications. Score's technology could monitor deforestation, track wildlife populations, or optimize renewable energy systems. In agriculture, it could help farmers optimize crop management, reduce waste, and improve yields. In education, it could provide personalized learning support by understanding how students interact with educational materials. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination and commitment to applying these capabilities where they can do the most good. The recent addition of an experienced football coach and ex-professional cricket player to Score's team tells a deeper story about how transformative technology gets built. Technical excellence alone isn't enough. You need people who understand the human needs that technology should serve. The football coach brings something irreplaceable: understanding of what coaches actually need, how they think, and what would genuinely help them develop players and win matches. This human-centered approach ensures that Score's capabilities translate into real value rather than impressive technical demonstrations. The cricket player's involvement signals Score's commitment to understanding diverse sporting cultures and needs. Cricket and football may seem different, but both involve complex tactical decisions, player development challenges, and passionate communities that deserve access to the best analytical tools. These strategic additions represent Score's philosophy that the best technology is built by diverse teams that combine technical expertise, understanding of human needs. DKING represents Score's platform vision in action. enabling specialized applications that serve specific communities while demonstrating the versatility of the underlying technology, rather than trying to build everything internally. Score empowers others to create solutions that serve their communities and markets. The sports betting application might seem narrow, but it demonstrates something crucial. Score's technology can handle high real-time decision-making where accuracy and speed are paramount. If the technology can handle the demanding requirements of betting markets, it can handle the requirements of any industry. DKING also represents entrepreneurial opportunity. Developers and domain experts can build valuable applications using Score's platform, creating entire ecosystems of solutions that serve different needs while sharing technological foundations. The upcoming announcement at Proof of Talk Paris represents more than a business milestone. It represents recognition of a vision becoming reality. When innovative technology receives attention at prestigious venues, it signals that the broader community recognizes its potential impact. Paris has always been a city of revolutions: artistic, intellectual, and social. Announcing Score's developments in this historic city seems fitting for a technology that aims to democratize access to capabilities that could transform industries and empower communities worldwide. Score's story is ultimately about human potential. Every person whose work becomes more effective. Every organization that can compete more successfully. Every community that gains access to previously unavailable capabilities. These represent the real measure of Score's success. The vision extends beyond business success to social impact. When small organizations can access the same technological capabilities as large corporations, it levels playing fields and creates opportunities for innovation from unexpected sources. The next breakthrough in manufacturing efficiency might come from a small workshop that now has access to advanced analytical tools. The next tactical innovation in sports might emerge from a youth coach who now has professional-grade analysis capabilities. This democratization of advanced technology doesn't just create business opportunities. It creates human opportunities. It empowers people to pursue their dreams, serve their communities, and solve problems that matter to them. Score's vision can only be realized through collective effort. Coaches who embrace new analytical capabilities help prove their value and refine their effectiveness. Manufacturers who implement computer vision solutions demonstrate practical applications that inspire others. Healthcare providers who use video analysis to improve patient care show how technology can serve humanity's most important needs. Developers who build applications on Score's platform expand what's possible. Investors who support this vision enable faster development and broader deployment. Even users who simply engage with Score's capabilities contribute to the collective learning that makes the entire system more valuable for everyone. Score's computer vision, Subnet 44, represents more than technological innovation. It represents a commitment to a more empowered future where access to advanced capabilities isn't determined by organizational size or geographic location. From processing footage across 280 football leagues to enabling applications like DKING, from technical excellence to human-centered design. Score demonstrates that the most powerful technology is that which empowers others to achieve their goals and serve their communities. The announcement in Paris, the expanding team, and the growing ecosystem of applications all point toward a future where computer vision capabilities are as accessible and ubiquitous as any other essential business tool. This is just the beginning. The communities served today represent proof of concept for the millions of communities that could benefit tomorrow. The applications developed today demonstrate possibilities for the solutions that will emerge next year. The lives improved today inspire the vision of a world where everyone has access to the tools they need to succeed. Join this journey at ScoreVision.io, follow the story at WebBuildScore, and see innovation in action at DKING. The future we're building together starts with the choices we make today.